Okay, we've just received a package today from Chatterbox Mumsy for my birthday.
It's also made in China.
Well, what do you expect these days? We're just seeing what it is. So carefully.
Paul. Looking. Uy. Así.
No, not like that. Do the ends. Cut the ends off. That's it. That's it.
It is.
That's it. What have we got here, Mumsy? Oh my God, it's an air fryer. Oh, just what I always wanted, Mumsy.
Now we have to
Christmas has come early.
literally.
Oh, you're so
How
funny.
do you get this out, son?
One. No,
Oh.
use it the other side.
No, there.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Oh, that's massive.
Oh God, son, look at the size of this.
It's only the box, I think.
It's only in the box.
Don't mind me.
I'll find a nice place to put it. Oh, major. Using dual zone technology. Oh, it's an international plug.
Oh, you're so funny.
Oh. Okay. That's the instruction manual.
Guys, can you find Ethan?
Mom's gotta-
Find Ethan, please.
Hello?
What's this? Packaging.
Come on. Come on.
Colour.
Mind my tree.
Okay,
Show me
let's take the
together.
box off.
Ethan, can you please get up from there?
Come
Now,
on,
get the
please.
box quick.
Quick, quick.
Quick.
Quick, Isabi.
We need your help. Careful, huh? Careful, Knox. Quick, get that one. Get the box. That's it. Get it. Slowly,
Careful,
huh?
Hold the box up.
Mind what you're doing. Okay. That's it. Then. Han, can you add some? It's massive. Oh my God. I'm gonna hand. Give me a hand, please. Nipatong ko kasi nipatong ko sa bangko. My God. Asam na ni mo ibutang, Noy. Huh? Oh my God, it's so big.
Yeah, but look, it's not that big really when you think about
No,
it.
I mean it's so big because this one is another on the top, yeah?
No?
That's it.
Yeah?
The two.
Yeah?
Oh, you're so funny.
The new Ninja Fryer. Chatterbox Mumsy. There you are, Mumsy.
There you go. Ang regalo ko kay Popsy. Did you like it? But is we ordered the gray.
Oh, no, doesn't matter.
This one, will this open?
No, I told you.
Are you sure? But
No.
it looks like.
It doesn't.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
That's where the thing is.
Mm.
That's it.
So it's only the one on the bottom. So this is it, and this is what it says. It's the same as the slow cooker, so you cannot cook rice on here.
You can cook rice, yes.
Rice? Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
It's got a roast, air fry, max
Where's the
crisp,
bake?
bake, reheat,
So where's the
dehydrate.
rice?
I don't know, we've got to work it out.
Like a fried rice, I think, but you cannot just steam rice.
We have to read the instructions.
Yeah. Turn it around, Han, so I can take a picture, okay? Guess who is inside the box? We'll do an unboxing here.
Oh no!
Food.
Okay, Mumsy's bought me this Ninja hair flare for my birthday. So I decided to get a book before to see what recipes we can do. So I've got this 365 recipe book here. And Mumsy's just asking me, oh, can we cook rice in here? Let me have a look. There's 365 recipes here, dear.
Okay, just find the rice, please, okay?
Okay, I will try and find the rice.
Did you find?
Back to a normal day tomorrow. And as if she says newsflash, King of the Fry gets 5 minutes peace. That's good. I love
You
this.
sure? Okay. Like and subscribe, please. This is Chatterbox.